Welcome to Mom's Recipe Diary English.
Hello viewers. Today I am going to make tasty and crispy muruk recipe. It is also known as chakli. First I will explain about the ingredients. Rice flour 1 kg, vanaspati 50 ml, urud dal 1 cup, asafoetida 7 to 8 small pieces, sesame seeds 2 teaspoon, ajwain 1 teaspoon, salt 2 teaspoons. First I am going to dry roast the urud dal in a kadai. Do not over roast it. If the color of the urud dal changed, then murukku color will also change in dark brown. After cooling, I grinded the urud dal into a fine powder. To make the dough for murukku, first I have sieved urud dal flour and then rice powder in the mixing bowl. I dissolved the asafoetida in water. I have slightly heated the vanaspati. Now I am going to add it into the flour and I am going to mix it nicely. I am adding this vanaspati to make the murukku crispier. Instead of vanaspati, you can add normal oil used to fry the murukku, or even butter you can also add. If you hold the flour in your hand, it should come like this. Now I am going to add salt, ajwain and sesame seeds. Mix it nicely. I am going to divide the flour into two portions. If you knead the whole dough at a time, the color of the murukku will turn into brown after some time. If you divide it in two batches and knead the dough separately, then the color will remain white. I have taken hard asafoetida, so I soaked it in water. If you don't have that, you can also use powdered asafoetida. I have divided the flour equally and I am going to add half of the asafoetida water and I am going to knead the dough. Add the water little by little and knead the dough. Cover the another portion and keep it. Once the first batch is finished, knead the second batch by adding the asafoetida water. The consistency of the dough should be like this. Otherwise it will be very hard while pressing the murukku. I have taken the circle design. Grease the murukku maker with oil so that the dough will not stick in that. Don't press the murukku directly on the hot oil. Press it on a skimmer and put like this. I have added 5 murukkus. Depending on the kada you can add. It will not pull oil if you keep the proportions correctly. One side it is cooked. Now I am going to flip it. If the bubbling sound of the oil stops, then only we can identify the murukku is cooked well. The bubbling sound was stopped, so I am taking out. Similarly, press all the dough and make murukku. If you separate it in 2 batches and do, then all the murukku will like this in white color. The tasty and crispy murukku is ready to eat now. It is a perfect tea time snack. Kids will enjoy eating it. Now I am going to make murukku using star design. This murukku is comparatively heavier, so it will take some extra time to cook. Keep the stove in low flame and cook. The color of the murukku is also little changed because of the longer cooking time of this murukku. The bubbling sound was stopped. Now I am going to take the murukkus out. Star murukku is also ready to eat now. You can also try this tasty murukku recipe and give your comments. If you like this video, do like, share and subscribe.